We all knew that Philippines is situated in the Western Pacific Ocean that has 7,000 islands. Philippines is known as the Pearl of the Orient, home to thousands of destinations. Once again, welcome back to our channel. Rosie with you and Edsa from Couples Wanderlust.
Whether it's Chocolate Hills, Puerto Princesa, Rizal Park, or Banaue Rice Terraces, the Philippines will cater to every kind of traveler. However, the country is also famous for its theme parks and amusement parks, which are spectacular attractions if you are visiting with family or friends, kids, or just kids at heart. You will definitely have a great time enjoying the rides, arcades, mini exhibitions, and shows.
We have selected the best amusement parks in the Philippines where you are sure to get your money worthy.
Enchanted Kingdom. Located in Santa Rosa, Laguna, Enchanted Kingdom is truly as enchanted as it sounds. Covering an area of 25 hectares, the amusement park provides opportunities for visitors from all over the world to experience a world full of imagination, magic, and creativity to popular thrill-seeking rides such as Space Shuttle, Extreme Tower, and Anchor Away. Along with these, the kids can live it up learning about interesting stuff at 7th Portal and Discovery Theater. Further, visitors can enjoy watching a plethora of shows and events such as dance, music, and fireworks. Immerse in different kind of magic at Enchanted Kingdom.
Star City. The great things about this park is it's fun, adventurous, affordable, and within the metro. Located within the Cultural Center of the Philippines complex in Pasay City, Star City is a 35,000 square meter amusement park, offers an array of both indoor and outdoor attractions, mixing amusement with retail and even live shows and musicals with its own premier theater, Aliw Theater. Among these attractions housed in Star City are the double-deck Grand Carousel, which can hold up to 72 riders, the Viking Ship, and the Magic Carpet that's sure to make riders scream their hearts out, and indoors, charming rides for kids like the Quack Quack and Wacky Warm.
Ocean Adventure. Located in Subic Bay, Zambales, Ocean Adventure is one of the most visited parks in the Philippines and stands as the only open water marine park in Southeast Asia. It offers a range of visual attractions, water facilities open for swimming together with dolphins, near to its extension Camayan Beach Resort, and other habitats for forest animals like birds, bear cats, and pythons, making it popular among children and adults. A great educational and relaxing trip for families. After the park tour, you can recline on beachfront benches and just watch the waves or dive in and have more fun.
Aqua Planet. Take a break with your family and friends and enjoy the unforgettable water-amazing experience as we take you to a whole new dimension of thrilling fun and excitement. Situated in Asia's next aerotropolis, Clark Freeport Zone, Pampanga, the visually inviting Aqua Planet in the Philippines. A 10 hectares world-class water theme park filled with fun and exciting attractions fit for the whole family. Spend your day trying out the 38 facilities and slides inside the theme park that range from the exciting tornado and water bowl to the relaxing wave river and bubble bays. No need to wait in line, as this pass will give you access to the Klook exclusive lane so you can enter the park immediately.
May you find our video more interesting? Write your comments and suggestions below if we are contributing an information.
Don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell to notified with our next video. Subic Fun Land. Summer is all year around in Subic Bay that has lots of different attractions to choose from. It is known for its beautiful beaches and resort and for its magnificent beach waves, perfect for surfing and skimboarding. If you're looking for a thrilling, adventurous, and family-oriented water theme park, Subic Fun Land is a must-visit in Subic Bay. It has a newly designed and unique inflatables which could make your adrenaline rush while enjoying the different outdoor activities. Since it is facing the skyline, you'll have the chance to experience the scenic view of Subic Bay, which is magnificent during sunset.
Manila Ocean Park. From a spectacular marine theme park, Manila Ocean Park has finally evolved into Metro's holiday destination where everything is all about life and living. An array of exciting attractions, appealing view of the bay, enriching marine life exhibits, entertaining dining and lifestyle, shapes to mold into integrated resort destination. Manila Ocean Park is proud to have a marine theme park in the country that houses life of the best of both under and over the sea.
Skywater Park. Skywater Park Cebu is the country's first and only water park facility built 1,023 feet above ground level. This newest leisure destination covers 4,200 square meters of rooftop space, making available fun water and resort features that includes a water playground with pool and water house, infinity pool with jacuzzi and resting decks, a dining and entertainment area with nightly activities, a gift shop, spa and other concessionaire outlets. Located in an open-air space on the 6th floor, guests can enjoy panoramic view of Mandaue, Lapu-Lapu and Cebu cities all together, offering a refreshing break from hustle and bustle in the streets. Skywater Park Cebu is also a destination for social functions, corporate gatherings, and other special events.
Fontana Leisure Parks and Casino. Fontana Leisure Parks is the Philippines' newest, largest, and the most integrated leisure park, centrally located in a 300 hectares property within the Clark Special Economic Zone at Clarkfield, Pampanga, just 18 kilometers north of Manila. At Fontana, guests can enjoy the security and comforts of an American planned community with wide access roads and generous open spaces, an ideal place for entire family. The only resort in the country with the magnitude of leisure park, complete with a theme water park, golf course, and casino. If you like our pics, give a thumbs up and share with your friends.
For more information about travel and world's wonder, please subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching. See you next week.
Bye.
Bye.